What's going on, everyone? It's RGB here again. Hope you're having a great day today. In this video, we're going to test the GameHub emulator on this high-end Adreno 6 series GPU Android device. And the phone right here is the Galaxy S21, which is powered by the very hot and powerful Snapdragon 888. With the Adreno 660 GPU, currently installed with the latest driver version. And this phone has 8GB DDR5 RAM with UFS 3.1 storage, so these are the main specs. Well, even though it's a 5-year-old chip, it still handles most of the titles really well, with better turnip driver support over the years. This phone also got the final One UI 8 based on Android 16 update, but I haven't updated it yet due to some reasons. So anyway, I'll be showing you the best settings, drivers, and tweaks to get the maximum performance and stability, so you can run PC games smoothly. And I already did some couple of tests on this phone in my recent videos, from the very beginning. Well, in this video, I'm going to test the Assassin's Creed Unity, which is a quite demanding title. And if we check out the compatibility, here it shows as playable, at the minimum game quality and settings. And the recommended memory of this game is about 12 GB of RAM, but right now this one has only 8 GB RAM. Anyway, the same settings also apply for other phones with Snapdragon 870, 860 as well. But at least 870 would be better. And in compatibility, do follow up these settings as usual. GPU driver is set to Turnip 25R1, which is well optimized for the Adreno 6 series GPU. DXVK version set to 2.6.1 async, and set VRAM limit to 2 GB. Now go to components. Install both NVIDIA PhysX driver and the Vulkan RT component, which are required for some demanding titles. And that's it. So these are the recommended settings. Also prefer lower resolution and presets for better performance. Now it completely runs offline. And this game size is about 45 GB. So let's see. And also, if you are new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any update. It's also recommended to use the cooler to avoid overheating issues and throttling. And this game uses both Vulkan and Direct 3D. Still, it's a quite demanding game for the older PC hardware, especially for those who use the integrated graphics and some entry-level DGPU cards. So, let's see. Here the graphics are set to low preset quality. And if your phone has at least 12 GB of RAM, it would be better and even more stable. Even PCs these days won't survive well on 8 GB RAM, I mean for gaming-intensive tasks.
Yet?
Oh, you would love that, wouldn't you?
It'd break my heart.
Olivier, if I weren't here, who'd do all your work for you?
Make way, make way! Bad luck, lad. You'll have to go round. What was that?
Je n'ai pas balancé à rétablir un visage dont le royaume
Where the devil are...
et qui peut couvrir.
M'accorderiez-vous cette danse pour gentilhomme?
Merci. Un autre jour.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for this test. If you want to see more tests on this phone, make sure to check out my recent test videos on the channel. Let me know in the comments which titles you want me to test next on this phone. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any future updates. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.